Hi everyone, Jen here from Jennyandteddy. In this tutorial, I will show you guys how to crochet the herringbone double crochet stitch. This stitch very easy and I use in a lot of my crochet project like a top and a poncho. So let's get started. The herringbone double crochet is start with the foundation chain of the even number and plus 3 more chain. So in this example, I will start with the chain 20. Make the slip knot. And then chain 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I will go off the camera and I will meet you at the chain 20. Now I finished 20 chain already. I will add 3 more. I fix this one and then add 3 more chain. 1, 2, and 3. After add 3 more chain already, we will make our first herringbone double crochet in the 4th stitch from hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then yarn over, insert your hook, pull up the yarn. Now you have 3 loops on your hook. 1, 2, 3, and then you will use your thumb to fix on the second loop and then pull this loop behind, just one, and then now you have 2 loops on your hook, and then grab the yarn, pull just 1 loop, you have 2 loops on your hook, and now grab the yarn and pull through both loops. Now we have our first herringbone double crochet. I will show you one more. Grab the yarn, insert your hooks, grab the yarn. Now you have 3 loops on your hook. 1, 2, 3. Use your thumb to fix the second loop and then pull the yarn, just 1 loop. Now you have 2 loops on your hook. Grab the yarn, pull 1. Now you have 2 loops on your hook, and grab the yarn, pull through both loops. Here our second herringbone double crochet. And one more. Grab the yarn, insert your hook, pull through. You have 3 loops on your hook. Use your thumb to fix this one, the second one, and then pull through just 1 loop, and then grab the yarn, pull through just 1 loop again, and then grab the yarn, pull through both loops. Now I will go off the camera and do the rest and meet you at the end here. Now I am at the end of row 1 of the herringbone. The last chain I do the herringbone double crochet stitch, and then we're gonna start row 2 by chain 3 at the end. Here we will chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. Turn your work and We start row 2 by we will crochet herringbone in each of the stitch along the way. We will start on here in this stitch we're not doing it. Grab the yarn, insert your hook. Now you have 3 loops on your hook. I'll show you 3 loops. 1, 2, 3, and use your thumb. Pull through just 1 loop, and then you have 2 loops on your hook. Grab the yarn, pull through just 1 loop, and then grab the yarn, pull through both loops. And then we keep doing this in each stitch. Here, I will meet you at the end of row 2. So now I am at the end of row 2. In the last stitch, I make a herringbone double crochet here, and you will see the gap here is made from chain 3 from the previous row. I'm making the herringbone double crochet as well. And then fix your thumb here, pull just 1 loop, grab yarn, pull 1 loop, and then grab yarn, pull all both loops. And now we finish row 2, and then you just repeat row 2 until you get the piece like this, or any size you like. I hope you guys enjoy the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.